Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Discone antenna is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment for any radio enthusiast or scanner hobbyist looking to cover a vast spectrum of frequencies with a single, compact solution, offering unparalleled wideband reception capabilities for everything from air traffic control to amateur radio bands without the need for multiple specialized antennas. Number 5. Tram 1410 Super Discone Base Antenna. Discover the Tram 1410, a versatile Super Discone base antenna. It's engineered for superior performance and reliability. Experience crystal clear signals across an impressive range. It covers frequencies from 25 MHz all the way up to 1300 MHz, ensuring you don't miss a thing. This antenna isn't just for listening, it also supports multiple transmit bands. You can broadcast on 144 MHz, 220 MHz, 440 MHz, 900 MHz, and 1290 MHz. Constructed with rust-free stainless steel, it offers exceptional durability. This robust design ensures long-term, reliable operation in various environments. Handles serious power with confidence. It boasts a maximum power rating of 200 watts, making it suitable for demanding applications. Enjoy efficient and stable communication. Its design ensures optimal SWR, contributing to better signal integrity and transmission efficiency. What we like. This antenna offers impressive wideband reception, covering a vast frequency range for all your scanning needs. It also supports multiple transmit bands, making it versatile for various radio activities. If you are a serious scanner enthusiast or a ham radio operator looking for a single antenna solution for both wide receive and multi-band transmit, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews found in a source to extract points from. No reviews found in a source to extract points from. Number 4. HYS Dual Band NMO 20-inch Antenna with L-Mount Kit. This is the HYS Dual Band NMO 20-inch antenna, designed for VHF 144 MHz and UHF 430 MHz mobile radio communication. It comes complete with an L-shaped mount and a 13-foot RG58 coax cable. It operates efficiently at 144 MHz and 430 MHz, boasting a VSWR of less than 1.5 for excellent signal integrity. This provides a gain of 3.0 dB on VHF and 5.0 dB on UHF. With a maximum power input of 100 watts, it handles significant power. Its 20-inch flexible whip is crafted from durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resilience. This antenna is compatible with a wide range of mobile radios, including Motorola, Kenwood, and ICA models. Its NMO to PL259 connector ensures seamless integration with SO239 UHF female dual-band radios. The included trunk lid mount features a 13-foot RG58U cable for flexible routing. It requires a small drilled hole for an extremely rugged and stable installation. The stainless steel L-bracket provides a secure 3/4 NMO hole mount. It's ideal for car and truck hood installations, or for trunk groove and side mounting. What we like. This robust antenna is specifically designed for mobile use, featuring a dual-band NMO setup perfect for vehicle installations. It comes with a rugged L-shaped mount and coax cable, ensuring a secure and durable setup on your car or truck. If you are a mobile radio user needing a reliable, high-gain antenna for your vehicle, this offers a professional and sturdy solution. What people say. NA. Number 3. HYS 433 MHz Omni Antenna Kit. This antenna is designed for the 433 MHz ISM band, making it highly versatile. It works seamlessly with a wide array of devices, from garage door openers to smart home hubs. Engineered for high-precision projects like TinyGS and LoRa APRSI gate, it delivers exceptional signal stability. Ham radio enthusiasts and satellite trackers will find it indispensable for their advanced setups. Constructed with an anodized aluminum pole and chromium-plated brass elements, it's made for the outdoors. This ensures superior corrosion resistance and durability, standing strong against harsh wind and rain. Featuring a 1/4 wavelength omnidirectional design and a secure threaded assembly, it guarantees maximum mechanical stability and zero-loss electrical connectivity. Installation is tool-free and incredibly easy. It comes pre-equipped with a 9.8-foot RG58 coaxial cable, terminated with a high-quality SMA male connector. This provides a direct and seamless connection to most SDR receivers, radio transmitters, and IoT gateways. What we like. This antenna is highly optimized for the 433 MHz ISM band, making it ideal for specialized applications beyond traditional ham radio. Its rugged, all-weather construction ensures reliable performance outdoors, even in harsh conditions. If you are working on IoT projects, low array-based ground stations, or need a dedicated 433 MHz antenna for security sensors or smart home hubs, this is perfectly suited for your needs. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for extraction. Number 2. 5-star 2025 HDTV antenna 4K 200 miles. Experience stunning 1080p and 4K reception up to 200 miles with this updated outdoor antenna. It delivers superior VHF and UHF signals, helping you break free from expensive cable bills and save significant money. Equipped with next-gen technology, it delivers superior HD signals to multiple TVs in your home. Discover a wealth of free over-the-air stations, including talk shows, live sports, and local news. Its sleek and innovative design features an extended length for more stable and robust signal reception. With longer and larger receiving elements, it ensures unparalleled performance. Assembly is hassle-free, with all necessary parts and mounting hardware included. You can easily mount it on your roof, attic, or outside your house, even without a direct line of sight. Upgrade to the latest technology and enjoy easier assembly. Relish the freedom of watching your favorite channels without the burden of costly subscriptions. As a US seller, we provide local customer service and expert technical support. This ensures you receive the assistance needed to maximize its value with confidence and ease. What we like. This antenna is engineered for superior HDTV reception, delivering crystal clear 1080p and 4K signals with an impressive 200-mile range. It's also ATSC 3.0 ready, preparing you for the next generation of broadcast television. If you want to cut the cord and enjoy a wide array of free over-the-air channels and stunning HD quality across multiple TVs, this is your go-to solution. What people say. Number 1. Gabil GR D220 Wideband Discone Antenna. Tired of constantly switching antennas? This single antenna covers an impressive range from 100 to 1600 MHz for receiving. It also supports key amateur bands for transmitting, all in one convenient setup. Forget complicated adjustments. Unlike traditional HF antennas, this one requires no tuning or guesswork. Simply connect it, and you can start receiving signals immediately. It's the perfect companion for your scanner and monitoring needs. Whether you're tracking airband, emergency services, or public safety, it handles wideband monitoring with ease. Looking for a truly portable solution? Its lightweight and compact design makes it ideal for field use. Take it with you for travel or temporary setups without hassle. Experience consistent and dependable signal reception. Its low VSWR guarantees efficient performance across a wide array of frequency bands, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Built with reliability in mind, it's designed and manufactured in Taiwan. It features a robust UHF, PL259, connector, ensuring secure and stable connections for long-lasting use. What we like. This Discone antenna stands out for its "no tuning required" feature, allowing for immediate use across a wide frequency range without any adjustments. Its lightweight and compact design makes it a true portable solution, perfect for on-the-go monitoring. If you need a hassle-free, wideband scanner antenna that you can quickly deploy for field use or temporary setups, this offers unmatched convenience. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. The source JSON was empty, so no product details could be identified. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.